There was a frog lived in a well, Fräulein Inkum laddie, and a mouse that kept a mill. Tidy Ann, did the rum-a-di-dum-dandy. One day says the frog, I'm going to court, Fräulein Inkum laddie, with me shoes as black as soot. Tidy Ann, did the rum-a-di-dum-dandy. The horse he rode was a big black snail, Fräulein Inkum laddie, saddle and bridle under his tail. Tidy Ann, did the rum-a-di-dum-dandy. Frog rode up to Mousy's hole, Fräulein Inkum laddie, rapped the door, stout and bold. Tidy Ann, did the rum-a-di-dum-dandy. Are a Missy Mouse, are you in? Fräulein Inkum laddie, yes I am, I sit and spin. Tidy Ann, did the rum-a-di-dum-dandy. Are a Missy Mouse, will you wed? Fräulein Inkum laddie, will you come into my bed? Tidy Ann, did the rum-a-di-dum-dandy. Now Uncle Rat is not at home, Fräulein Inkum laddie, without his leave I'll marry none. Tidy Ann, did the rum-a-di-dum-dandy. Uncle Ratty then came down, Fräulein Inkum laddie, in his silk and muslin gown. Tidy Ann, did the rum-a-di-dum-dandy. Bring in the table till we dine, Fräulein Inkum laddie, change a farthing and bring in wine. Tidy Ann, did the rum-a-di-dum-dandy. Just as the top was getting slack, Fräulein Inkum laddie, in walked the kitten and the cat. Tidy Ann, did the rum-a-di-dum-dandy. Cat seized Uncle by the crown, Fräulein Inkum laddie, Cattle knocked wee Mousy down. Tidy Ann, did the rum-a-di-dum-dandy. Horsey's nailed up the wall, Fräulein Inkum laddie, says the devil's among